Another video syndication method is using Vimeo. Unlike YouTube, Vimeo's main purpose is to allow you to gain more traffic and even sales by uploading your content video. Vimeo has strict rules whereby all the videos uploaded must be owned by you. It means you must hold all the necessary right to all the videos you are going to upload. So in this module, I'm going to show you how to upload your video and utilize its settings. Once you've signed up, you'll be directed to your profile page. On the right side of your page, you can see what kind of new video is being posted, the statistics of your videos, your followers, and even a shortcut to explore videos on Vimeo. What I want you to focus on is the statistic. This is where you can see a summary of likes, plays, and comments of your videos. It'll help you track the relevant content you need to post in order to reach a bigger audience. So let's start uploading one video. Choose a file to upload from your computer. While Vimeo is uploading your file, you can add all the basic details of your video. Scroll all the way down to open a wider range of settings for your video by clicking Edit Settings. Make sure that you type in the name and the description of your video. One of the most important things you need to do is categorizing your video. If this is an instructional video, tick the relevant option and submit. Don't forget the tags. Tags will make it easier for users to search for your video. Set the content rating of your video and credits if necessary. For the thumbnail, you can opt to upload a new video or just use your video for it. Once everything is set, click Save. As you can see, your video is now available for viewing. It will appear with the rest of the videos in Vimeo at their home page. If it gains enough views, your video might be featured as Vimeo's staff pick video. Just don't forget to customize your profile as well. You won't get to earn followers if you don't introduce yourself to other users. So make sure you fill your basic details in the profile setting as required. That's how you use Vimeo to syndicate your video. Next, I'll show you how to do another video syndication using a different platform.